Hello tech family, welcome to my channel Techmo, where you get the latest in the world of tech. Samsung is well known for producing smartphones, and despite setbacks, exploding smartphone batteries and the firm's foldable phone fiasco, which forced the business to postpone its launch, the company remains the world's most popular smartphone. In today's video, we will be taking you inside Samsung's massive digital city. But before we continue, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when next I post new videos. And without wasting time, let's jump right in. Samsung is by far the largest firm on the South Korean Peninsula, earning more than double the maximum amount. The second largest South Korean corporation, with about 250,000 employees, is Samsung. The natural philosophy giant has created its city just outside of South Korea's capital, and now we're learning about the community that Samsung created. Associate in nursing annual income of $208 billion is generated by the Samsung cluster, which includes Samsung Electronics and Samsung Insurance. Although it has been plagued by competition in recent years, it's without a doubt one of the most powerful firms on the planet, accounting for 17% of South Korea's entire gross domestic product. Samsung manufactures everything from medical goods to energy, and they have significant financial, resort management, and insurance holdings. Samsung shipped 71 in the first half of 2019. According to IDC, Huawei and Apple supplied 59.1 million and 36.4 million smartphones devices respectively. It's unnecessary to emphasize that this company is quite powerful. Only 30 kilometers outside of South Korea's capital, one of the world's most important urban business centers is located. While security is strict and closely monitored, the Samsung Innovation Museum is open to the public and honors Samsung's heritage as well as the history of technology products in general. Samsung's Digital Village is located in Kuwait, an ancient society with origins dating back thousands of years. Because the 8th century house defense in Suwon's most famous site, it was created in 1796 to ring the entire town. However, as Suwon has grown on the other side, this border housing is now classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Despite Samsung's historical background, the site has been designated as a World Heritage Site. Samsung Digital Town is extremely fashionable. Even though it isn't technically a town, it is located within 390 acres of office space and houses nearly 35,000 Samsung employees in 4 landmark office towers, up to 38 stories tall, 131 smaller buildings with numerous lab offices, recreational facilities, and a guest house for visitors. It's unclear how much the field cost to build, but conservative estimates place the cost at over $1 billion, plus several million dollars in annual repairs and benefits for staff. There's also what's known as Samsung 5G City, and it's an outdoor park with a business test 5G network infrastructure, which is now being deployed to telecommunication companies in South Korea and the United States. The vast field features cafeterias where workers may eat for free, a big gymnasium, and other amenities. While security is stringent and closely monitored at the Samsung Invention Vault, employees have free access to cafeterias, a large gym, and international food and beverage shops such as Dunkin' Donuts on the enormous site. The general public respects Samsung's heritage as well as the history of technology products in general. Additionally, hebdomadally events such as concerts, fashion exhibitions, and talk shows, as well as 690 cultural clubs are held to keep workers occupied during their breaks. These clubs cater to a wide range of interests from painting to paragliding and cooking. On top of that, Samsung's headquarters houses 490 sports clubs, which include a pool, basketball and court game courts, and baseball diamonds. They also have freakish supernatural areas such as multiple inputs, multiple outputs, or whereby Samsung tests several cell phone technologies. Samsung is unusually discreet about the testing that goes place within the area, but the Art Movement House appears to be more akin to the Starship's cockpit. Samsung stated that about 65,000 of its employees are dedicated to doing research and development, which equates to roughly 20% of its global workforce, to foster employee creativity in South Korea's capital. Designers and laborers will return to R&D Field's multi-story library to brainstorm and find inspiration among the books and magazines. Samsung's sound science facility is also located in the field that includes music equipment and voice booths as alternatives. Wherever the voice of Samsung smartphone's virtual assistant Bixby is recorded, it's also where noises for many of Samsung's household gadgets are made, such as the sound a smartphone produces when it's locked into Associate in a nursing app. Due to the state's fairly rudimentary social services in South Korea, The sound a white goods makes when its doors has been left open for too long is an electrical outlet. As the state in South Korea is only slowly rising, Samsung's natural philosophy provides various free social advantages for its employees. With its wide range of free social services in Samsung's digital town, Samsung's natural philosophy stands out as an appealing and trustworthy leader. These services include healthcare for children, free food, and free public transportation in case you need to see a doctor during your stay in Samsung Digital Town. The tending service is completely free for Samsung employees at Samsung Digital Town, which has a variety of medical amenities. They include everything from health exams and flu shots to dental care and traditional stylostocies. There are 10 basketball courts, 4 court game courts, 3 soccer fields, 2 baseball diamonds, an ascending wall, and an Olympic-sized pool at Samsung Digital Town. It additionally serves up to 70,000 meals per day from 92 different menus. The restaurant, which has over 400 seats, draws customers from Suwon's neighborhoods, forming a strong bond with farmers and producers. During the day, 900 children of Samsung employees are cared for by kindergartners with 150 lecturers. During the work week, the field also has a helicopter pad and free buses and trains for all of the employees, with the total number of vehicles within the group. On Samsung Digital City's Family Day, the entire field transforms into a subject matter park for Samsung families and residents, with go-karts included. When it rains, the company gives 9,000 free umbrellas for each of its employees to use between buildings. Apple, Huawei, Google, and Amazon are known for throwing things at the wall to see if they stick. Samsung, on the other hand, has a reputation for flinging things against the wall at a faster rate than its competitors. When a plan succeeds, it's great, but when it doesn't, it's a disaster. For example, in 2019, when Samsung rushed its folding phone Galaxy Fold to market early, reviews complained of malfunctioning hinges and shattered screens, so Samsung had to alter the phone. Samsung experienced one of the most iconic disasters ever in 2016, when its Galaxy 7 phone started spontaneously combusting and their stock tanked, forcing them to recall 1 million phones, though they have since regained their public perception. Although I wonder why they chose the name Samsung. Did Sam actually sing? I guess we might never know. That'll do for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on another great video from us. Until next time, goodbye for now.